Being able to repurpose YouTube videos to IGTV has been a game changer for me. I am able to take one video and repurpose it as to many platforms as I want. In this video, I am going to show you how I repurpose my YouTube videos to IGTV like this. Hey there, I'm Rini Ismail, and if you're new here, I help female business owners make better videos using minimal approach and gear. Right, so before I get into showing you how I repurpose my YouTube video into IGTV, you need to understand that this is something that you can't do with just a single button. YouTube and Instagram are competitors, so there are some work that you need to do. But trust me that this process is really simple. I'm going to show you my computer screen in a bit so that I can show you the process. If this is the first time that you are going to repurpose your YouTube videos, it may take a while and may be time consuming, but once you do it and you create some of your templates, it will be much easier the next time.
Right, so now I'm going to show you how to create your template for your Instagram TV. So all you need to do is first go into Canva. You can just sign up a free account. You can create a lot of things in Canva. If you have not tried Canva, then this is your chance to go into Canva. I'll link the website in the description below, so just go ahead and click on it. Alright, so since Instagram TV is on a portrait size, so we are going to use the Instagram story template size. All you need to do is you can either search for Instagram template under the search area over here, or you can just click on create a design and search for Instagram story. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Instagram story over here. Instagram story. And they will give you a lot of templates ready. There's 6,000 templates available for you to create the Instagram story. But I am going to start with create a blank Instagram story. Once you are here and you think that you actually need a template, don't worry, you just go ahead to the templates on your left hand side and choose any of the template that you want. But you want to make sure that you don't choose the one that has Instagram story in a video format, something like this, where you can see there's a play button at the top left hand corner. So you want to choose the one that only has pictures, or just a plain background, and where you can actually just change the branding colors to suit your branding. Okay, so remember, don't choose the one that has the video icon at the top left hand corner. Alright, so I have a favorite template. I'm going to choose the one that I'm going to use for this purpose of tutorial. So some of my favorites templates are inside this magazine grids Instagram story. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on see all. Again, be reminded that if you see there's a play icon at the top left hand corner, don't use that, because we don't want to use a video kind of template. Okay, so I'm going to choose this template, and for this Instagram story template, it has all 6 templates, but we are not going to choose everything. We're going to I'm just going to choose one of them and apply to the first page. That means applying to the template that I want to create. So click on it and it will appear in your Instagram story design board. So this is the picture that they actually use. You can delete off the picture first, and you can resize it to your video size and move it around. And you can go ahead and change to your branding color. I'm going to change to my branding colors over here. And you can even add more elements or more design onto this template. So you can go ahead and click on elements. So I'm gonna search for some elements to include in the Instagram story. So I can just scroll down over here and choose any of the different types of elements that is available, or you can just simply type in the search icon over here. Alright, so for example, I love this wiggle lines or wiggle objects. I'm gonna click on it, add into the template. I'm going to rotate it a little and expand it and move it to the side. Alright. Okay, and probably change the color to my branding colors. And I'm gonna add one more to the other side and let it be slightly bigger. Alright, something like this. Okay, and I also want to add just a little bit more elements at the bottom over here. Alright, so let's say I want to add in like a flower on the design, so I just click on this and let it expand a little bit, and I will change the color as well. Okay, so let's say I also want to add borders to the behind the where the video is going to appear. I will go back to the elements and look for shapes, and I will expand this a little and send this to the back, and probably change this color to pink, my branding color. Alright, so that it gives a little pop to the videos that I'm going to add in later on. And because this is a video with regards to my YouTube channel, I'm going to add in text. So you can either click into the text icon on this left hand corner and choose all the different types of template that they already have in Canva already. So for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and press the T on my keyboard, and it will appear this text paragraph, and I will move it to the top, and I'm gonna add in the title of the video. Alright, so I've changed a little bit on the branding color, so I'm happy with this. So once you are done with your template, you can go ahead and download. Make sure it's PNG and download it over. So now I'm going to show you how you are going to upload this template together with your video in Keynote and also an online platform called Kapwing. But if you're on Windows, you can upload this template together with your video using PowerPoint. Alright, so now let's get into Keynote. So when you first open up your Keynote, this is what you are going to see. The layout is 16 by 9. So we're going to change this layout to 9 by 16. All you need to do is you go to the top right hand corner where it says document, click on document, and change the slide size to 1080 pixel to N1920 pixel. This is the 9 by 16 size. So once the size is changed, you can delete all this text. And now you want to add in the media of your template. Click on media and choose the template that you have already downloaded from Canva. Right? So it will be uploaded and inserted in the Keynote. So now you can see that the template is already in the Keynote itself. Now we need to add the video. Go back to media and choose, and then you upload the video that you want to upload into this template. So once it's uploaded, you can actually resize this to fit the layout. Okay, you can bring it down like this, and you can fit it in such a way that it covers the side, and just on the top it has the border. Right, so now once you are done, you click on File, Export to, Movie, making sure the playback is self-playing and the resolution is 1080p. The next slide after and the next build after, just make sure that this is on 0 seconds. Click on Next, and it will export it to where you want to export it to. I'm just going to export it inside my desktop, and this is going to be IGTV captions. Okay, and save it. And you are done. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing but using the online platform called Kapwing. I think I've said this a lot of times, but Kapwing is a really powerful platform if you are just starting out to edit your videos and you just want to have a lot of drag and drop and other functions that's actually available in Kapwing. You can actually do it over here. So this is the main page of Kapwing. Go ahead and create an account. In Kapwing, it's free to use and it has the absolutely free functions that you can use inside Kapwing. And the beautiful part about Kapwing is you can export the videos without watermark. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my dashboard. So once you see your dashboard, this is what you can create. You can go into the new content or you can go straight away into view all tools. So since we are going to repurpose the YouTube videos into IG story, all you need to do is just click on studio, get started. And this is where you are going to see inside the studio of Kapwing. So in this page, this studio page, you can see you can either start with a blank canvas or you can click to upload. If you don't have a template like we have done in Canva, you can just start with a blank canvas. But if you already have the template, which we already have, right? So we're going to click to upload or drag and drop the file. So I'm going to choose the template that we already have. And once it's uploaded, it's automatically giving you the size that it's already templated in Canva itself. So how do you include the video inside this template is just by clicking on upload and you choose the video file that you want to upload into this template. So it depends on the size of your file. It will take a little while for it to process and also to extract. So once you are here, you can go ahead and resize it. You might want to actually press the shift on your keyboard so that it doesn't change in terms of the dimension and the size of your video. So let's resize this and move it a little. Alright, so let's say you're happy with this and this is already the video that it's going to be inside your template. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and export the video. You can either just click on this export video or you can go ahead and press on the arrow down button and export as MP4. As you can see, it says your watermark free content is being exported. Yes, Kapwing is a beautiful platform that I've been saying a lot of times, that they actually give this ability for content creators like us, for videos, for GIF, to download, to export your ready videos or your edited videos into a watermark free. You can go ahead and download into your file and that's it. Alright, so now that you have already exported your IGTV video, you can now upload your video into your Instagram. So what I like to do is I go into Facebook Creator Studio to upload my IGTV. So this is the main page or the dashboard in terms of your Instagram and also your Facebook of your business. So make sure you click on the Instagram over here. And then you can create post IGTV and choose the Instagram that you want to upload the IGTV to. So now you can go ahead and upload the file, but be sure that you check on the IGTV video requirements. So I've already have it up here. Okay, so make sure your video is at least 1 minute long. And the maximum length of your video has to be 15 minutes when uploading from a mobile device, 60 minutes when uploading from the web. So now we are on the web, you can actually upload up to 60 minutes. Okay, and your videos or your video file type has to be in MP4 file format. And the very important thing about resolution and the size, your aspect ratio has to be 9:16. Alright, and if you have a horizontal video, it's it has to be in the 16:9, but because earlier on we've already uploaded with the 9:16, then we can just use on that. Okay, so now we go back to the Creator Studio. Once you upload your file over here, you can add in the title and the description of your video, what is all about. You can even tick on the share preview, which is to the feed, and you can also upload a cover image for your IGTV. So you can again go back to Canva and create your own IGTV frame or IGTV cover image, and you can upload using the custom upload, or you can just choose from the video frame that you have uploaded the IGTV from. Okay, so once you have done that, you can go ahead and publish, or if you want to actually schedule it, then you can just click on schedule and schedule the date that you want this IGTV to appear on.
If you want to know how to create your first 3 videos for your business, click on the video that is on your screen right now. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for brand new videos every week, and leave a comment down below and let me know, are you going to repurpose your YouTube videos to IGTV?